회의를 끝마치고 사무실로 향하는 어떤 남자. 그때 그는 누군가를 찾고 있죠.
Carol, is Lauren here yet?
In your office. And your wife just called. Said it was very important.
I know. Okay.
아내가 귀찮다는 듯 인상을 찌푸리며 사무실로 들어서고 그곳에는 내년녀가 그를 기다리고 있었죠.
Sorry for the wait. Been fighting the censors on your behalf.
My hero.
다시 아내가 전화를 걸어보지만 보란듯이 그들의 분류는 계속되고 아내 레나의 속은 타들어만 갑니다. 어느 날 친구에게 답답한 맘을 얘기하며 미술관을 찾아갔던 레나.
I love him. You understand? It's him I can't lose.
묵묵히 참고 있는 레나의 모습에 속이 터질 것만 같습니다.
All those women, Lena. Do you think he even remembers their names? Christ, I hate whispering. What the hell are we doing here anyway?
I love this place. Could always calm me.
최근 들어 스토커에게 몇 번이나 시달렸던 레나는 그때마다 경찰 지미에게 도움을 요청하곤 하죠.
What's up?
Someone I know saw Peeping Tom.
하지만 거짓말쟁이처럼 어떤 스토커의 모습도 매번 찾을 수가 없는데
Okay, we can notify the local patrols in the area, but beyond that, there's really
Nothing we can do, ma'am. Is that what you were gonna say?
Jimmy, thanks for coming. I know it's an imposition. I know it's not what you do.
Don't worry about it. You've got my home number if you need it, right?
Yeah. Thanks. It's good to see you just the same. It's not often enough. We should have dinner. Maybe next week.
Great.
그녀의 말이 거짓이든 아니든 바보처럼 지미는 항상 그녀를 믿어주었습니다. 그렇게 남편의 바람기에 누군가의 위협에 힘들어했던 그녀에게 남편 가인은 매번 이혼을 요구하기만 하죠. 그런 남편의 어처구니 없는 모습에도 남편과 함께 이기를 바랬던 여자.
I'll do anything.
Really?
Anything.
Fine. Find someplace else to do it.
재벌의 바람둥이였던 남편은 이제 레나가 지겹기만 했었죠. 그러던 며칠 지난 어느 날 어떤 술집에서 다른 사람처럼 꾸민 채로 어떤 술집으로 향했던 여자. 그리고는 빌이라는 남자에게 다가가는데
Bill. Is that your name? Bill?
그렇게 처음 보는 남자를 유혹하고 말도 안 되는 하룻밤을 보내버립니다. 그리고는 재빠르게 집으로 돌아와 자루 속에 야구공을 넣고서는 그걸로 자신을 자해하기 시작하죠. 다시금 누군가에게 나쁜 짓을 당한 것처럼 흔적을 만들고 남편을 기다리죠.
Lena?
집에 돌아온 남편은 이상하게 변해버린 집의 모습에 너무 황당하고 아무리 불러도 레나는 대답이 없었죠.
Lena!
Believe me now.
Did this to you?
You did.
그렇게 잔혹하게 남편을 없애버리고 스토커의 짓으로 위장을 시작합니다. 책상을 자동차 윈치로 들어올리고 그에 맞춰 자신의 손을 반대편에 묶습니다. 그렇게 남편에게 복수하고 자신은 선의의 피해자가 되는 상황을 만들어 버렸죠. 이런 일들이 가능한 레나의 정체는 도대체 무엇일까요? 그렇게 미친 밤의 시간은 흘러갑니다. 아침에 출근하던 가정부는 그들의 모습을 발견하고 여영사 코니는 왜 이런 장치까지 설치했는지 의아하기만 하죠.
Something on your mind?
Yeah, the rig. The rig's on my mind. This place is like Pirates of Penzance.
Do you want to cut the jokes and tell me what your point is?
My point is, if after raping her, he tied her up, I'm thinking it wasn't for sexual thrill at all. Why take the time to rig this at all?
I don't know. I mean, the guy's a fucking freak. Maybe the voices told him to do it.
All right. We'll file the motives under twisted mind for now. But there's still some problems with the mechanics. Some things that should make sense that don't.
Like what?
Like Lena told the first cop on the scene there was only one guy.
Yeah.
책상이 어떻게 이동했는지 도통 알 수가 없었죠.
The desk lived over here. The perp had to drag it. Which he did, right?
Yeah.
Explains the scratches on the floor.
All right.
So how did the desk get from here to over there? Scratches stop at the body. You'd need two sets of hands. Wouldn't you?
곧바로 레나를 조사하러 갔던 두 사람.
I was tired. I've been packing all day. Guy was supposed to be home at midnight, but he wasn't.
There was only one assailant? You sure about that?
그녀의 천연덕스러운 거짓말에 모두 속아 넘어가지만
I just can't figure out how he moved that desk by himself.
코니만 유일하게 그녀를 의심하고 있었죠.
You know, without scratching the floor. I just have a few more questions. You're leaving in the morning. That's correct, isn't it?
Yes. Guy and I were going through a separation.
I'm sorry, I thought it was divorce.
Not if I could help it, no.
And the assailant never tried to rip it off?
Hey, what kind of questions are these?
I have to ask these questions to be thorough.
Thorough? Is that what you call treating Lena like a criminal?
I'm sorry. It's who I usually deal with.
You finished now.
Connie?
I'll wait outside.
형사 지미는 동료인 코니보다 친구인 레나의 편을 들어주려 하는데
I know this woman, Connie. She's not involved.
Nowhere, do you? What would you do if I said she can't get pregnant? Just talk to the doc? Had her tubes tied 5 years ago. Can't get pregnant, can't have a miscarriage. So maybe your friend, your dead friend, knew her a little bit better than you.
하지만 아무리 생각해도 동료 코니의 생각이 틀리지는 않았던 남자. 자신이 자꾸 왜 이러는지 헷갈리기만 합니다.
Give it up, Jimmy. We have to talk about this. There's cause to pursue.
You gonna start with the angle theory again? Because I don't want to hear it.
It's something to think about. Gerard was 5'8", and the way the bat connected suggested that the killer
I know, I
was...
read the f***ing pathology report.
제라드보다 키가 더 작은 사람이 방망이를 휘둘렀다는 내용이었죠.
Probably shorter. It's not ballistics. It's not an exact science.
You're a good cop. I don't know what the hell you're thinking about.
I'll tell you what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about a friend. I'm thinking about a friend who can't last a minute without breaking down into tears.
I thought the victim was your friend, too. He's the one you played ball with every weekend, right? Not her.
You're pushing it. She did it. Let's call the DA and arrest her.
Look, I know she was in the air. No way she could have gotten up there by herself. So we need an accomplice.
Jesus Christ.
7 million liquid? I'd take it and smile. Don't forget the 25% stake in the John James underwear franchise. Guy's folks are dead. No siblings. She's the sole beneficiary.
You know what? Life's not that complicated. She could have just divorced him, gotten half his money.
Not half. They've only been married for a couple of years. But all right, she gets a chunk, true. But this guy, he fucks every piece of silicone ass he can get his hands on. You heard his secretary. Every model through that place. Jesus, I'd kill him. It's not about the money. I don't have all the answers. But I do have this.
그때 그녀의 통화 기록을 보여줍니다.
She wasn't home all night like she said. When she called Guy, she was in her car traveling east, somewhere just past downtown. That's the cell bill. Where the fuck was she going?
What do you want to do?
Taylor. See if a handsome pool man shows up.
그렇게 그녀를 조사하려는 두 사람.
What if you're wrong? You get caught. The department could get slapped with a harassment suit. It's the rape victim you want to go after.
It's not just Connie, Lieutenant. Me, too. Look, I know it's just gut now. Not all the time, but 400 ain't bad.
Yeah. Okay, Teddy. But no pressure. You make no moves on her unless you've got something solid. And you clear it with me first.
코니의 의견대로 경찰은 비밀리에 그녀를 수사선상에 올려놓게 되고 24시간 잠복 근무를 하며 레나의 행동을 일거수일투족을 감시합니다. 매번 미술관을 찾아가 르누아르의 그림을 바라보았던 레나. 그저 그림을 좋아해서 그랬던 걸까요?
Renoir. Pierre Auguste.
그녀는 도대체 어떤 의도를 가지고 있는 걸까요?
You learn something new every day.
그러던 어느 날 밤늦게 레나를 찾아왔던 어떤 남자. 코니는 그가 그녀의 기둥 서방이라 확신하게 되는데
Hello, Blondie.
쉬고 있는 지미에게 걸려온 한 통의 전화. 하지만 코니는 아무 보고도 없는 채로 그들을 체포해버렸죠.
Yeah.
He's blonde, Jimmy. Shows up at 2 o'clock in the morning out of nowhere, and suddenly she's hanging all over him. Come daybreak, she's taking him to the airport, putting him on a flight to fucking Milan. What am I supposed
I'll tell
to
you
do?
what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to call me or call the lieutenant.
Well, well. Somebody want to tell me what the hell is going on here? Mrs. Gerard's ex-husband flies 3,000 miles out of his way just to console her after she's been brutally raped, and you f***ing lock him up? Who gave the go-ahead on this?
It was a decision that had to be made at the time, sir. I stand by it.
Well, does anybody want to share a motive with me, or do we even have one?
Money, sir.
Money. The $7 million.
Yes, sir. That's right.
The $7 million of which 6 was donated to the Safe Harbor Rape Crisis Center?
완전히 상상 밖의 행동을 해버렸던 여자. 자신이 실수했다 생각한 지미는 사과를 하러 레나의 집을 찾습니다.
Well, you want something? Maybe search the house?
I wanted to apologize if you let me. Look, it's almost dinner time. Why don't you, let me buy you dinner? I'll tell you.
I was just making dinner. Stay if you'd like.
사과는 하러 갔지만 아직까지 지미는 의구심이 많이 남아있었죠. 그런 그의 모습을 레나가 모를 리는 없습니다.
Jimmy, why don't you just go ahead? Keep looking at me like all you have is questions, but you don't ask.
Look, I came here to apologize.
You're not very brave when you're not hiding in the bushes, Jimmy.
Considering guys' indiscretions, why did you stay?
Why do you care?
Guy said you told him you were pregnant.
It was a lie. A futile, misguided attempt to try and save something. I don't even know what it would have solved. I can't even get pregnant. But I was married before. You remember him, don't you, Jimmy? The man you arrested? I gave up too easily. I always thought I should have tried harder. Somehow it just got mixed up in my head. And then when Guy asked me for a divorce, I didn't want to lose another husband. Does that make me a stupid woman?
No.
그녀의 말은 어디까지 진실일까요? 순진하기만 한 지미는 그녀에게 점점 빠져들어만 가고
And when we got married,
They cut you off.
yeah. Came out to LA. Corey had a hard time finding work, so I took a job as a paralegal to make ends meet. And one day, I got to talking to a client in the waiting room. Seemed nice. Took an interest in me, mostly because I think he liked to flirt. But eventually, he introduced Corey to all the right people. Guess who that nice man was?
Guy. So what happened between you two?
He wanted children, I didn't. Ironic, isn't it? But it broke us up. Guy picked up the pieces, send a story. Have any others?
I wouldn't be here if I did.
What else could you possibly want to know about me?
I can think of about a million things.
You're not flirting with me, are you, Jimmy? I think it would be a bit bizarre under the circumstances, but I'll take it as a compliment.
그녀와 대화를 하면 할수록 레나의 매력에 녹아 들어가는 남자.
I don't know why Guy ever looked anywhere else.
He was a little boy. He liked getting lost. You want some coffee?
그렇게 레나와 다시 친구가 되었다고 안심하는 그때 어떻게 된 일일까요? 진짜 스토커의 트럭이 나타났습니다.
Oh my God! I just saw the truck.
What? What is it?
I just saw the truck.
눈치를 채고 도망가 버리는 어떤 사람. 도대체 진실이 무엇인지 헷갈리기만 한 그런 밤은 오늘도 흘러갑니다.
You saw it. You saw the truck.
Yeah, Connie, I did. I saw it. So what, do you still think she's up to something?
이제 지미는 전적으로 레나의 편을 들어줍니다.
So what do you want to do?
I don't know. Park it in her front yard and wait. She needs a protection, Gil. Who knows? Maybe we'll even lose this wrongful arrest suit in the process.
Let's talk to the captain.
그렇게 레나의 신변 보호를 결정했던 지미와 경찰들. 그러던 어느 날 순찰을 돌던 코니는 뭔가를 발견하게 되는데 그것은 현장에서 발견된 밧줄의 부스러기였습니다.
Well. What do we have here?
한편 지미는 레나와 야구를 하며 이런저런 얘기를 했었죠.
You miss it?
What's to miss? It was nothing.
Nothing. How can you say that? I mean, you're a professional. That's not nothing.
It wasn't exactly a career, Lena. I mean, I only played for one season.
그때 다리 부상으로 야구를 그만둬야 했었죠.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to pry.
No, it's all right.
I'm over it. Pry away.
You hurt your knee in the game. Is that what happened?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what happened. Look, I mean, it's a fluke I even made it to the majors in the first place. Management was going to send me back down to the farm.
So what happened?
All right. It's the end of the season, right? Half the starting lineup is on the injured list. They win one, we win one. Last game of the series, and the heat is on. We're down 1-0, 2 outs, bottom of the ninth. I'm up to bat. And on the mound is Mr. Cy fucking Young, and I'm already 0 for 3 against this guy.
Well, I like the underdog.
And me, I'm shaking in my cleats. So I step up to the plate, and then like a gift from God, I see this long, slow curveball coming. Slow motion. Bam! It's a high fly to center field, and I'm running, and I'm praying, oh, base hit, come on. And it's 15 fucking feet.
그렇게 서로 간에 아픈 얘기를 하며 자꾸만 가까워져 가고.
Just like that, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Listen, we should probably be getting back.
오늘은 왠지 서로 헤어지기 싫었던 두 사람. 이제 그녀의 어떤 거짓말에도 사랑에 빠진 지미는 진실을 외면하려 하죠.
I had a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Me too. So I'll see you tomorrow night.
Yeah. Bye.
이제 자신에게 완전히 넘어왔을 거라 확신이 들었던 여자. 돌아가던 발걸음을 멈추고 다시 지미에게 다가서고 역시나 먼저 고백을 해버리는 남자.
What about these circumstances of ours?
I wish they were under different circumstances. But they're not, so...
그런 그녀의 치명적인 유혹 앞에 정신은 흥미에져만 가고 욕망을 참지 못한 그는 결국 선을 넘어버리게 됩니다. 그들이 뜨거운 밤을 보내는 그 시간, 코니는 다시금 레나에 대해 수사를 하고 있습니다. 레나의 치밀한 계획 앞에 형사들은 어떻게 그녀를 잡을 수 있을까요? 며칠 지난 어느 날 막노동을 하고 있는 길에게 누군가 전화를 걸고
Yeah,
Hello, yes, Mr. William Gerard, please.
William Gerard, yeah, that's me.
Oh, hello, Mr. Gerard. My name is Elaine Gertz. I'm an attorney. I've been trying to reach you for over a month.
그녀는 다름 아닌 레나였고 저번에 일탈을 저질렀던 그 남자에게 전화를 하고 있는 것이죠.
I'm sorry to be calling with such sad news, but
Well, sir, your father's passed away.
the reason I'm contacting you is to inform you that you are the sole beneficiary of your father's estate. And I was wondering when it would be convenient for you to come to Los Angeles so that I may execute the will.
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
I'm afraid this week is difficult. Unless, of course, you can make it in the evening around 9.
Hey, an office, a bus station, middle of the night. Who gives a shit? I will be there.
Well, let me give you the address.
Yeah, sure. I understand. Okay, mum's the word. I will see you at 9.
I'll be waiting.
그렇게 상속인이라 거짓말하고는 다시금 빌과 만나려 하는 여자. 도대체 빌의 정체는 무엇일까요? 그때 밧줄의 결과가 나왔습니다.
Is that what I think it is?
Good evening to you too, Detective.
God damn it, Howard. What's the fucking word?
Word is, sample matches.
Same rope?
If I had to venture a guess, I'd say same length of rope.
How can you tell?
Oh, why else would her blood be on it?
Definitely her blood.
DNA is DNA.
If they say I planted it, every jury out there would believe them.
So what are you so happy about?
Because I know. Where there's one mistake, there's more. It's just a matter of finding him. Just one other person I've got to convince.
죽은 가의 사무실에서 레나는 또 누군가에 당한 것처럼 또 자해를 하고 있죠. 그런 사실도 모른 채로 그녀의 함정 속으로 걸어오는 남자.
Hello, Miss Gertz.
Mr. Gerard! Good, you found me. Corner office.
Miss Gertz.
Hi, Bill.
You.
어떤 영문도 모르고 필은 레나에게 당해버리고 끝없는 연속된 사건으로 경찰들은 혼란에 휩싸이게 됩니다.
Looks like this case just won't end, huh?
이제서야 형사는 빌의 정체를 알게 됩니다.
How did we miss this guy?
We missed him because we weren't looking for him. Remember?
William Gerard, enlighten me, if you will, please. Who the hell is this guy? Same last name, and what's his connection?
Second cousin, Captain. Rich kid up, son of a diplomat. 10 drug arrests by the time he's 16. Rape conviction at 20, for which he does 12 years.
But the rape, that's the beauty. He goes in the woods with his girlfriend, starts mixing drugs that should never be mixed. Winds up tying her spread eagle to 4 trees and raping her repeatedly.
Hence the ropes.
Hence the ropes. When he's done, he just leaves.
레나는 처음부터 이 모든 정보를 빌에게 덮어씌울 계획이었던 것입니다.
Okay, but why? I mean, what the fuck is this vendetta for the Gerard family?
Well, his father disowned him after the rape. Changed his will, left everything to Guy. Bill had nothing to look forward to but a life of shoveling cement. I'd say he got real bitter.
그렇게 진실을 찾지 못하고 그녀의 완전 범죄로 끝나버리게 되는 걸까요? 며칠 후 야구장을 찾은 두 사람. 우연히 코니의 옆자리에 앉게 된 레나는 지미에 대해 넌지시 물어보죠.
He really likes playing, doesn't he?
Sure he does.
It must be painful, making it to the majors and then, you know.
Yeah, well, we reap what we sow.
the hell does that mean?
Should never have gotten in bed with those Vegas freaks. They would never have broken his knee like that.
그렇게 대화를 하다 지미가 거짓말했다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
I thought he broke his knee in the last game.
Listen, this is between the two of you, okay?
No, not okay. Tell me.
과거 도박사들과 승부 조작을 했던 남자.
His knee got broken because of that last game, not in it. He wasn't doing so well, you know? It's understandable. Some high rollers propositioned him. Don't make any hits. He took the money. Mistake number one. But he couldn't help himself. He wanted to be a major league player. So he made a second mistake and he hit that ball.
You lied to me.
Lena.
You slept with me, and then you lied to me. How could you?
Because it wasn't the time. Look, it's embarrassing. I was a kid and I did something stupid. And it's cost me everything. It cost me my career, my wife, and my kid.
Yeah, well, it cost you someone else. I'm sick of lies, and I'm sick of liars, Jimmy. Here's your car. Now take it home.
그의 거짓말에 화가 나 잠시 슬픈 표정을 짓고 있죠. 사실 이제 필요 없는 그를 떨쳐낼 수 있기에 속으론 쾌재를 부르고 있습니다. 그녀가 계획한 대로 빌의 아버지 또한 운명을 달리하고 이제 유일한 상속인이 되었던 그녀는 상속을 진행하려 담당 변호사를 찾게 되는데
Glad it's here with you that I can finally put this to rest.
Well, just quickly take you through this one at a time. Lewis left his entire estate to Guy. $6,574,256. His home in Hancock Park with an estimated value of $1.6 million. And, of course, his collection of fine art.
Our collection? Really? Kenneth, are you telling me that these are museum quality pieces?
Well, yes, of course. You knew that, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
사실 그걸 노렸던 여자.
Are they of great value?
Well, value is something that's kind of... yes, here we are. All in all, about 225.
Oh, 1,000.
No, my dear. Million.
Million. Million. Oh, my God. How did he amass such a collection?
Well, he inherited it, just like you.
모든 걸 정리하고 떠나려는 그때 누군가 찾아오죠.
Come to make peace.
And what makes you think I want to?
Listen, just, let me say what I had to say. And then if you still want me to go, I will. Scout's honor.
Now, what is it that you wanted to say? I'm listening.
Aren't you gonna open it? It's a present I got for you in Mexico. I had it made up special.
선물 상자 속에는 달랑 종이 한 장이 들어있는데
What the hell is this?
I would have thought you'd recognize it. I mean, you've seen a few of them in your lifetime. It's a marriage certificate.
Yes, I know what it is. What is this, some kind of sick joke?
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
전과는 많이 달라진 남자.
That document cost me an arm and a leg. But you know what? You tear it up, I'll just have to get another one. Either way, it doesn't make any difference. We're married. You.
사실 이게 그의 본 모습입니다.
Lost your mind.
I haven't lost a goddamn thing. Now your husband, on the other hand, he lost. And Bill. Poor Bill never knew what hit him, did he?
You've got a very vivid imagination, Jimmy. But what you don't have and you couldn't possibly ever get is
Proof? It's pretty simple, really. See, after you gave Billy the ride of his life, well, he couldn't just go home. He had to unwind. So he went right back to that bar again, and he started drinking.
And then he started bragging. Bragging about the crazy chick who had just f***ed him silly. But nobody believed him. So Bill got mad. And Bill threw a punch. And that punch landed him in the San Bernardino cooler for the night. He was arrested at 1 o'clock in the morning. Guy didn't leave the party till 1:30. Now I'm sure even you can do the math on that one. But don't worry. Nobody will ever check. Doesn't get any cleaner than that.
그는 그녀에 대해 이미 알고 있었죠.
You found out about the will when you were paralegal at the law firm. And your first husband, he didn't leave you. You left him. Because you knew, even though Guy didn't, that Guy was in for a fucking windfall. Too bad you actually had to kill him to collect.
Inherited property doesn't get split up in the divorce, you see.
But this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave the country. We're gonna go someplace nice, where taxes are against the law. We're gonna wait a couple years and then we're gonna start selling. And when we're done, I'd like a divorce. Because believe it or not, I really don't like you very much. Oh, and before you get any ideas about bear in mind that all this nasty evidence is in a safety deposit box somewhere. I kick, the key gets mailed.
그 안전금고라는 건 대체 무얼 말하는 걸까요? 그렇게 몇 년이 흐르고 어떤 호텔 안
If the overinflated art market of the 1980s was a thing of the past, you wouldn't have known it today when a little-known work by Impressionist master Auguste Renoir sold at a London auction house for a reported $28.5 million.
물건이 팔렸다는 뉴스와 함께 전화기를 드는 어떤 여자. 그녀는 사실 안전금고 역할이었죠. 끝까지 범인의 정체를 감쪽같이 숨긴 영화
Anonymous my ass.
베네피셔리입니다.